everyone again, hi, it's Lawrence here on Bronies UK and I'm back again, and as you can tell by the title for this video, I'm here to do an unboxing of a piece of merchandise I picked up over the weekend. I went away to Blackpool here in the UK, popular seaside location here in the UK, those of you who haven't heard of it, if you may be from other parts of the world, but I picked up a few bits of pony merchandise, including the Build-A-Bear Twilight. You can see behind me there. She's one of the new, one of the new additions to my collection. And also, what I'm here to review today is this: the My Little Pony talking Isabelle Moonbow, the My Little Pony Generation 5 Izzy Moonbow. This is it. So yes, so she lights up, she sings, and she talks. She's got little hoof rings here, you can see there, and she also of course comes with the comb that you can comb the mane and the tail with. So yeah, just have a good look at the box there, and there's the back. Okay, yep, so we'll just open the box up. Okay, so what we got here? We've got we've got a little instructions pamphlet there. Shouldn't think we'll need to do much with that. No, it's yep, everything's there already. So this just goes over the functions there. So a button that makes a button on her side that makes do all the stuff like talking and singing, lighting up. So let's just get the little accessories out. There we go, so the comb. So I'm just gonna get these here that go around her hooves. So we have 1, 2, 3 different colours, and then we have so all together we have 6. And as you can see here, so as you can see here on the back of the box, as you can see here, this picture shows that she's got 3 around one of her right hooves and the other around the back left hoof. I assume, yeah, you can probably do them however you'd want. But okay, so first thing we'll do is I'll just talk a bit about the figure. So yes, you see it looks very nice, shiny mane and tail. I'm just going to give the mane a bit of a comb. Yeah, I'm just going to give the mane a bit of a comb. See the detail there. So the button is where the cutie mark would be. Cutie mark is so.
Hi, new friend. My name's Izzy.
So you can articulate the head. That's really about the only thing you can move. But then again, it is a figure. It's a figure that talks and sings. So it's a good thing you've got some hot head articulation here. So Izzy is one of my favourite characters from Gen 5 from Make Your Mark. I say my ultimate favourite character is probably Misty, and I haven't been able to find any merchandise for her. So I've got a little Sunny figure. No, you won't be able to see it from here, but what I'll do, I'm just going to move the you might be able to see just behind there, just behind my Pinkie Pie there is a little Sunny Star Scout figure, and I have so I have this now to go with it. Right, so that's one function. I'll turn her head that way, and then.
Hi, new friend. My name's Izzy. Your sparkle is
This is the lights up,
spread some love and kindness.
and then
This is how a unicorn walks. This is how a unicorn talks. Hola, cariño. Mi nombre es Izzy.
foreign
Tu
language.
brillo es rosa claro. Hi, new friend. My name's Izzy. Your sparkle is rosy pink. Spread some love and kindness. This is how a unicorn walks. This is how a unicorn talks.
Okay, yeah, so that's all the functions. So, yep, so that's basically what it does. So the last thing I will do, is we've got the hoof rings here. So what I will do, you basically just kind of slip them around a hoof. So, yeah, so we'll put one. I'll do it similar to how it is on the box. Or I'll put 4 on this hoof, and so I'll put 3 on that hoof, and put 2 on this hoof. Now I did just drop one of the other ones, but it should be here somewhere. So here, so I just need to find the one that I dropped. See if I can just find this the other one. So, oh well. If I can't find it, I seem to drop it somewhere, but anyway, it doesn't really matter that much. You probably get the gist of it. So I can just comb yeah. So this bit of the mane, it's in a nice ponytail, and yeah, you got the tail there. So I can just try and straighten this out a bit with the comb, and yep. Okay, so yes, that's pretty much my complete review of My Little Pony Generation 5 Make Your Mark Izzy Moonbow. Yes, the talking and singing light up Izzy Moonbow from Hasbro. Okay, well, thanks all for watching. You're all totally awesome, and I will see you very soon. Okay, bye.